Our coverage of Computex 2025 is brought to you by InWin. Did you know they make PSUs? Because I didn't.
EK is back, baby. You, like I, were probably worried about them, seeing all the news coming out about how they were pretty much done for and nearing into the bottom of the ocean last year, but they are back with vengeance. And the big thing they're showing off at Computex is this right here. This just looks like a regular radiator, but what on earth is this? Well, if we turn it around, this is a reservoir, pump, and radiator combo all in one unit. So you get everything you ever need in this thing. Now, you can just turn this around if you don't want to look at this reservoir, which I don't know why, it looks pretty sweet, but you can turn around. All you have is just this kind of silver shroud here. And if you want to cover it up further, you can actually put a fan here. There are actually holes for you to screw in a fan. Granted, it will be doing literally nothing because there's no fins. It's literally just a solid shroud here, and it is a reservoir here. So the fan will be doing absolutely nothing, but looking nice. In terms of what that is actually going to look like, well, right here, you have an example of a build that uses exactly that. So you can see it uses two of these brand new all-in-one combo units, whatever you want to call them. No word just yet when it comes to availability or pricing. All we know is that they're coming soon.
Thanks so much to InWin for sponsoring our coverage. They're celebrating their 40th year anniversary this year with major discounts on the existing chassis, plus a special 40th anniversary concept chassis, so definitely check them out down in the video description below. Plus, huge thanks to our patrons, Gavin Burns, Justin Ray, Jella Ronyak, Balash Voka, Patrick Harrison, Donald Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft.